ChatZone AI Review. Hey there, welcome to my review of ChatZone AI. In this video, we are going to look at a demo of the ChatZone AI software in action, just to look at the pros and the cons of this system. Before we dive in, just to let you know, my name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit. I earn a full-time income online with digital marketing, and I've been doing this at home for over 10 years now, which is a really cool and flexible way to earn an income. So hopefully all that experience will help you out as you research ChatZone AI Reviews. If you want to discover my number one system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then click the link below. Click the link in the video description below. That's my number one system, a complete done-for-you system, and a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click that link in the video description below for that number one recommended online system. So with ChatZone AI, basically it lets you create your own AI chatbot, which will appear in the bottom right-hand corner of your website and answer any questions your customers have about your website and the products and services that you have for offer. And the idea is that it can help you close the sale if they've got a couple of questions they just want answered before they buy. It could help you generate leads because you can ask for the email address of your customer as they are asking the question, and you can follow up via email to help close the sale on the back end. And you can train up these AI chatbots by entering the URL of your website. So it will basically scan your website and the content on it and use that as training material so it can effectively answer your customers' questions. You can also train this chatbot up with information that is not on your website, such as other documents. You've got Word documents and PDF documents. You can also train it up with that additional content so it could answer customer questions where not all the information is on the website, but you can still train it up on the back end with ChatZone AI. So let's take a look at the demo. Basically, you log into the members area and there's an initial bit of setup that you do to create a chatbot. You can choose the coloring, you can choose the avatar image, so you can have a stock photo of someone's face, a customer support worker, or some sort of graphics or cartoon, your company logo. You just choose the layout and the design and what the appearance will look in the bottom right hand sidebar that people click, and just basically do all those settings, choose how to train the chatbot with URLs and documents, and then you get a piece of code which you copy and paste onto your website into the HTML code section, and that will add the chatbot to a website you already have. So you're going to need your own website already. So if you're a complete newbie and you doesn't already have your own website that's getting traffic, ChatZone AI probably isn't going to do much for you unless you're selling these services to other clients as a freelancer. So basically, once you've got this code, you copy and paste it from the members area, go over to your website, enter that in the sections they tell you to, and then you can see this chatbot appear on your site. Here's the example. So it appears in the bottom right-hand corner of the website, and then you click on it, and it actually asks you for a name and email address. That's how the lead is captured on the chatbot. Before you actually interact with the chatbot, it asks for your name and email address, and then it will answer the questions. And then it will basically just give you information based on the prompt you give it. So it's almost like interacting with ChatGPT for free. You'll ask it a question, it will give you information about that, and so that's the way it interacts. I think it could be programmed a bit better to operate more as a customer support agent, being a bit more friendly and chatty. This is more just programmed as a generic ChatGPT style chatbot, just giving you direct information without that whole customer support options available. And at the end, they give you a link, a call to action link, where they invite your customer to buy the product of your website. So that's quite a cool feature of the chatbot. And inside the members area, you can also capture leads and then manage the leads you capture with the chatbot. And then you can choose to follow up with the leads you're capturing on the back end and try and close sales that way. You've also got conversations that you can manage and see what interactions are happening and see how you can step into the process to help close the sale. They've also got a number of AI tools in the members area. You've got AI Stock Hub with stock images, which you can use. You've got the license rights to use. An AI blog writer, so you can write blog post content. and AI content writer. So that can also include reviews, social media posts, product descriptions, anything you need based on the various different text tool modules they've got. And you've also got an AI article rewriter. So if you've got one high quality article, you can rewrite that multiple times and post it on more than one website to get more traffic. So all in all, I think ChatZone AI is a good, simple way to get a simple chatbot on your website to help answer customer questions. I don't like the fact the email opt-in form pops up right away before people have got to interact with the chatbot. There's not really much incentive for people to do so, so I think that could put people off. I think it would make more sense to ask for the email in a more casual way within the conversation itself, and have the initial chatbot page, which you could probably customize this in the members area, programmed to specifically answer specific questions and the most common questions that customers may have, rather than going straight for the email address before people see any kind of support. Also, you're going to need a website for this to work. It's not for complete newbies who don't have their website. And I think the programming of it could be a bit more advanced, so it's more of a customer support specific chatbot rather than more of a generic chatbot that has information on the website and can give you information. I think it should be more of a salesy, conversion boosting approach in the manner it speaks, but it's still quite a cool, simple chatbot for a low price. Anyway, hopefully my ChatZone AI review was of help. If you want to discover my #1 system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then click the link below, click the link in the video description below. That's my #1 system, a complete done-for-you system, and a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click that link in the video description below for my #1 recommended online system. Thanks again for checking out my ChatZone AI review. All the best, guys, and speak soon.